Woohoo! Hi, Wizard Funling.
Huh? Thomas? Whoa!
I can fly. Hi, Gordon.
Thomas?
Haha, this is great. Flying is awesome.
Whoa! Since when have you been able to fly, Thomas?
Well, I filled up with water at the magic water tower.
Magic water tower? Where did that come from? I invented it. Whoever fills up with water here will get a magical ability. Nice.
Ooh, I'd like a magical ability, please. Can I use the water tower?
Of course, Gordon.
Thank you. Ooh, what ability will I get?
Whoa, Gordon, you can turn invisible.
Wow, this is amazing. I can't wait to show off my new ability. Make way! Invisible engine coming through. All aboard, Funlings.
Where's Gordon? He's invisible. This is exciting. Yay!
Let's go. I wonder if I can use my ability to save the day.
Down with railways. Yeah. Hee hee. Yeah. Haha. Down with railways. They can't work if the track is blocked.
Bulgy, what are you doing?
Huh? Who's there?
It's me, the invisible engine. Clear the track right now.
The invisible engine? Oh, I'd better do as he says. There. Right, gotta go.
Yay! Go, Gordon did it.
Haha, being invisible is awesome. Let's go, Funlings.
Yeah! Woohoo!
That was great.
He did it.
Please can I use the magic water tower, Professor Funling?
Of course, Nia.
I wonder what ability I'll get.
Ooh!
I'm super fast.
Yeah, you have magical super speed.
I can do my job super quickly.
Whoa! Whee!
I'm here with your cargo, Rascal Funling.
Whoa, that was fast. Thanks.
No problem. Having super speed is awesome. I'm the fastest engine in the world.
Yeah, you sure are, Nia.
Please can I use the magic water tower?
Of course, Percy.
I want an awesome ability too.
Oh, you turned into a panda.
This is just a disguise. Watch this. I can look like anything I want, whenever I want.
What a small, damp cave. Who would want to live in there? Uh-oh. No, I'm surrounded by zebras. Help! What? You're not zebras. Oh yeah, you're bunny rabbits.
I'll save you, Super Funling.
Huh?
Hey, tigers! Roar!
Tigers? Phew, they're gone. Thanks, Percy. You look amazing.
Thanks, Super Funling. Bye.
Wow, all of your abilities are awesome.
Yeah, I wonder what other abilities the water tower can offer. Are you alright, Funling?
No, I just went really cold, like Tom Moss was approaching or something.
Can I have a go, please, Professor?
Sorry, Diesel, it's for steam engines only.
Oh. Huh? Whoa!
Uh-oh, it's Tom Moss. He's going to get an ability. Uh-oh, you need to stop him.
Yeah! Gordon, Nia, Percy, let's team up. We need to work together to stop Tom.
Yes, Thomas.
Let's do this.
By working as a team. Whatever ability Tom gets, we need to stop him causing trouble.
Oh? The water tower just shrunk him. That was lucky. Maybe having a water tower that anyone can use, including Tom, isn't such a good idea.
Yeah. Oh, and our powers have all disappeared. They weren't going to last forever.
But they were fun while they lasted.
That was fun. Thank you, Magic Water Tower. But now we're just regular old engines again.